I don't want this video to be taken as a criticism. Instead, I want it to be taken as a way that I want to help. You may be in a situation right now that you are struggling quite a bit. We all been there. You may be in a situation that you don't know what to do. We all have been there. You may be in a situation where all you see around you is just chaos and no way to escape. We all have been there. You are not alone. Unfortunately, what you have been doing is making bad decisions. And I have said in this channel before that a lot of people are in the situations that they are because not only their bad decisions, ultimately that was the reason why, but mainly because bad advice. Here in this channel, we are not perfect whatsoever. We are not. We do make mistakes. However, we don't want to share the problem per se because I think it is counterproductive. There's no reason for me to be sharing, oh, I went through this and this is how. No, I'm just going to give you one straight answer to the issue, and I don't know how to put it. I don't need you to feel that you can relate to me. I don't need that at all. I don't want you to do that. What I want you is to listen and to implement the solution that I'm giving you. Hopefully you understand. Because a lot of times you seek advice from people at your same level. People that are going through the same thing as you are. But those people are going through it the same as you. So they won't be able to help you. So let's say, for example, you having financial issues, right? Why would you ask somebody with your same financial problems to advise you? That is a horrible individual to ask advice from. You need to seek advice from those who are better off than you. That's what we did. That's what we all should do. We need to seek advice from those who are not better than us, but they are in a better position. I want you to get that in. It's not that people are better than you. They're just in a better position. Hopefully that is better. I will better explain. Sometimes I find it hard to explain it to a relatable level. I know how I feel and I want to say it, but it's just a bit hard sometimes because it's a touchy matter that people consider when they hear this type of things. The first thing popping into their minds, because it happened to me, oh, you think you're better than me? No, it's just in a different position. That's it. And I'm not going to talk about, how I got out of there, like the whole 9 yards, because there's really no need for it. Let me just give you the straight answer. And hopefully you just avoid everything that I went through. Financial issues. We all have to be very diligent at what we do. The problem is that a lot of times it's our own doing. Our own doing. If we fail to recognize our own faults, if we fail to recognize that we spend money when we don't need to, if we fail to recognize that Hulu, that Netflix, that Amazon is not a necessity, then that is on us. The funny thing is that when you really start thinking about it, the big purchase when it comes to finances is the ones that you avoid the most. But you go to the store now and you buy a pack of gum. You go to the store and you buy a toe warmers. You go to the store and you buy a container. And so on and so on. It's the little things that add up. At the end of the month, if you have a record of everything that you bought, and if you really look into it, it's the $5, $10, $20, $5, $10, $20. They add up to hundreds. you have to become very disciplined. You really true have to. Another thing is, if you go out and eat, and I know this is like beating the dead horse, but every time that you go out because you believe that you need to, or because the person next to you is saying, well, you never take me out. Well, we are in a bad financial spot right now. So if you can't understand that, perhaps you should not even be here. Tough decisions. You don't need to go out. Like, listen, this is the way that I keep my rice, long grain rice. This is one that I just finished. I just finished it. We go through our preps. I don't put Mylar bags in here or anything. Straight in the bucket. We have been using our preps since December. The beginning of December to today. We have not gone to Costco one single time. 3 months, and I'm going, using our preps. That's just to give you an example. But again, I want to go into the making better decisions. You are in a situations that you are, without removing blame from your decisions, because the bad advice that you got bad advice because you ask the people around you who are in your same circle for advice. You have to get out of there. You have to get out of that circle, and you have to seek advice from those who are in a different circle, a circle above you. They're not better than you, they're just above you in a different situation. If you're going to be asking about houses, you need to ask people who own the houses, not people who are still paying their houses, because they can lose it. No, those who already finish or don't have a mortgage. Those are the people that you want to ask for advice. When it comes to prepping, those who live for prepping, those who live the prepper life, not those on YouTube that just do it to get clicks and whatnot, or those who just read news, they're not it. They're not it. One thing that I have seen often is that when people get into trouble, they close their minds and it's all about Bible verses. That is it. It's going to fall from the sky. It's going to fall from the sky. It's just going to happen. That's not the way life works. It just isn't. You have to put in the hard work. Yes, you should have faith. Yes, you should believe. But no matter what, no matter how many verses you recite, no matter how much you say, pray Jesus, it will not come to you unless you go and look for it. I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart, I got here to this country with nothing. And I have to put in the hard work. If I did it, you can do it. I have faith in you. The problem is that you don't have faith in yourself. The problem is that you continuously go on and seek advice from those who realistically don't want you to do better than them. That is the truth. You can do better for yourself. You just gotta, for once, bow your head and understand that there are other folks who are in a different position than you are. They're not better than you. They're just in a different position than you are. And those are the people who will help you if you let them. If you'd like to support the channel, check out the links in the pinned comment below. Consider joining our Frontier Prepper Squad or let an add to your run. It really does make a difference. And always remember, those who prepare today will not struggle tomorrow.